Very good morning. I hope you all are enjoying the event. Moving further to add more of fun and solid to the day, let's celebrate all the mothers of the day, of the world. Now, let's get ready for another game. It is a showbiz quiz where you have to find out who are the two celebrities who have been merged together to form that the image of one celebrity. All, please pay attention, and also I'll be sharing the rules of the game are you have to keep yourself ready and reply as soon as possible because it is a first fastest finger first game. You have to reply the name of two celebrities been merged. Short forms will not be considered, single names will not be considered, and you'll be getting a time span of 10 seconds to reply to the question. That is Mrs. Mahajan. The winner of this particular game will be announced by the end of the event. So I'm starting with the first round. We have a total of 4 rounds and we'll be having 4 winners by the end of the game. I hope you all are ready. Here goes the round one. Please reply the two celebrities which are in the case. Time is up. I hope you all have already replied. Here's the answer. It's Akshay Kumar and Siddharth Malhotra. The second round.
सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा ये करीना कपूर
I want you all please mute your mics while you are playing. The answer is Kareena Kapoor and Katrina Kaif. The third round goes on. Please mute yourself, everyone. I request you all to please mute yourself.
John Abraham Shahid Kapoor.
Time is up. This is the answer. Shahid Kapoor and John Abraham. And the last round.
Shraddha Kapoor, Nargis Fakhri.
The time is up. I hope you all for this one. And the correct answers are Shraddha Kapoor and
Kapoor.
Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this game and we move on to the next game of the event. Thank you so much.
I request, thank you so much, Kriti ma'am. As the meeting will be over in next 3 minutes, you have to join with the same ID and password again. And I would like to add on one thing more. Please mute yourself while we are playing the game and switch on your video. As at the end, you will be honored with suitable titles. Thank you so much, Kriti ma'am. The next amazing game will be a next amazing game will be a brand game. I request Miss Aditi ma'am for the same.
Thank you, Manisha ma'am. I hope all of you are enjoying all the games and the events so far. But as we indulge in another fun-filled game, I would like to share my screen and discuss the rules with you all. But as the meeting is going to get over, we will be starting the game as you all join for the next session again. Till then, I can explain the rules to you, but please make sure you are logging in with the same ID and password in the next 2 minutes. So the name of the game is Guess the Brand. As you can learn from the name only, I will be giving you some taglines and you have to guess the name of the brand. The taglines that I will be saying will be shown to you on the screen also. Make sure your chat box is open because this game is also fastest finger first. I will be saying the taglines and you have to type the answers in the chat box. But the key rule here is you have to send the answer prior to Miss Ruchi Mahajan, that is the host for the event. Please.
बच्चों और अपने परिवार के लिए आया, रसोइया, धोबी, टेलर, अलार्म घड़ी, सलाहकार, ना जाने कितने ही किरदार बखूबी निभाती है। साथ ही साथ अपने बच्चों को समझना, उन पर विश्वास करना, उनका उचित मार्गदर्शन करना तथा उनका चरित्र निर्माण करना, यह सभी भी उसके महत्वपूर्ण कार्य हैं। इन सब के बावजूद भी उसने अपनी जिंदगी का एक अनोखा तालमेल बनाया हुआ है। माँ किसी भी कार्य को करने से पीछे नहीं हटती। उसके अंदर एक अनोखा आत्मविश्वास, एक अनोखा जुनून है जो सराहनीय है। उसी आत्मविश्वास के बल पर वह कुछ भी कर दिखाती है। ऐसा लगता है जैसे यह एक जादू है। जी हाँ, सचमुच ही यह एक जादू है। तो चलिए इंतजार किस बात का, देखते हैं माँ का एक अनोखा जादू। हाँ जी, तो देखा आपने माँ का जादू, है ना ये माँ का जादू। अपने इसी जादू के बल पर ही माँ हर दिल पर राज करती है, यहाँ तक कि दुनिया पर राज करती है।
Now it's time we all have been waiting for. Awards and recognition are the motivation which we all need for the work and efforts we do. I am going to announce now the winners of the games that we have played. Uh,
Please unmute Sakshi ma'am, you're muted.
Now it's time for what we all have been waiting for. Times and
You're muted again, Sakshi ma'am.
this is muting me now. Am I audible now?
Request everyone, please don't mute.
Okay. Am I audible now? Okay. I am going to announce the winners of the game we have played. The winners will get the e-certificate. For the memory game, the winner is please parents, please wait for a moment. Everyone is too curious. Please wait for a while.
Okay, so till the time we are announcing the results, I would request Rohit sir to please play some music for us. Rohit sir.
I want to sing a song. Okay, Avanya's mother like to sing some song for all of us. Till the time Rohit sir is there, Rohit sir, Avanya's mom like to sing something.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Big round of applause
Yes, big round of applause for Avanya's mom. We have a mom on Mother's Day. We'll have a such song from her.